In this video, I will show you how to change the color of object in an image in Premiere Pro in just few seconds. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to select the clip, which I have already done. Now here you have to go to the effect section here. If you're not able to find this effect section, go to the windows and make sure there's a tick mark beside effects. Now here on the search bar, you have to just type change to color. So you will find two options. Make sure you select change to color. Now click and hold and drag it to your clip right here. Now once you're here, you will see a new option, effect control. Under you will see change to color. Now I want to change my car color from yellow to red. So I will just select the first, that I will select the yellow color, which is a color picker. I will select my color picker and put it on my yellow car here. You can see yellow color is already selected. Now I will choose the color which I want to turn my object into that color. For example, now I want to put it into red. So here now I'll just click OK, and you can see that the color of the car has been changed, but there has been some slightly bleeding of that red color. You can see that in the last background, right? So what I will do, I will just go to here in the softness. I will do some kind of quick changes. For example, hue to 100%, lightning and softness to 100%. Now you can see the color of my car has been completely changed.